Well, it's Valentine's Day and I'm having a wig sale. Let me tell you how it's going to work. All right, about twice a year, I sell some of my personal collection of wigs. Y'all, I just don't have room for them. As a wig reviewer, we get a lot of wigs in and they can pretty much take over in a short amount of time. So I just don't have room for them. Some of these I have shown you time and time again. Some have just been worn for wig reviews. Some I've worn several times, but there is a variety of things on my website. Now, first of all, the sale will happen on my website, and I'm going to put the name of it up here. I will also have a link in the drop down box below this video, so you will go to my website for the wig sale. Now, when you go to my website, you will see the wigs that I have for sale. Keep in mind, there is only one of every wig. There will be a description that tells you everything you need to know about that wig. If I have done any type of modification, it will be there. Everything you need to know. So be sure, let me say that again, be sure you read the complete description of the wig before you purchase it. A lot of these wigs have makeup on the lace because I've worn them for several videos, or I have worn them myself. It will tell you that there may be traces of makeup on the lace of the wigs. Again, everything is in the description. Now at this time, I am only set up to take PayPal. That is the only payment that I accept at this time. I want you to also keep in mind all sales are final. There will be no returns, no exchanges. Y'all, I'm a one-woman show over here. I basically just do not have time or the room. I'm not set up for all that. So all sales are final. Also, this sale is for U.S. residents only. The shipping is free. You also see that in there, and I'm only shipping to the U.S. Now, when you purchase the wig, it will come to you in one of those bubble mailers. It'll be in a plastic bag inside a mailer, and that is how you will get it. Usually I only run this sale for a couple of days because they are gone. Once they're gone, they're gone. And they will go very, very quickly. So if you see one you like and you want, I would go ahead and grab it because they go super fast. And like I said, I probably will only run this through the weekend. And I think that's it. So just keep those things in mind. Go to my website. All sales are final. U.S. shipping only. PayPal only. And no refunds, no exchanges, nothing like that. So I hope you enjoy this. It's always a lot of fun. It's a lot of work for me, but it's a lot of fun. And the wigs are, I think, at a really great price. So I hope you find something that you love, and happy shopping.